So when it comes to insulation, it can be done on an existing roof as well as new construction. The way that the work has to be done does change depending on what the situation is. With an existing roof, what we would have to do is, number one, make sure that we're getting brand new insulation up there, because older homes, anything before 2004, likely has issues with formaldehyde and asbestos. So with that, we'll make sure we remove any of the existing insulation, sanitize and disinfect the entire space. Make sure we air seal the space as well before installing the new fiberglass blow-in insulation or rolled-in insulation. So when you have a roof project already under construction, it's a worthwhile time to consider doing insulation as well. The scope of work is exactly the same, but with that, including it to the roof project and bundling it together, you'll save an additional 20% off the total cost for that insulation. So for that, visit amecosolar.com to get an estimate for your insulation project today.